Yo guys, what's happening everyone? It's your boy here, Doreen. We're back again today with another great and amazing tech video. Well, the video today it's all about the DJI Mini 3 Pro. As some of you guys already know, past years we reviewed the DJI Mini 3. It was such an iconic drone, but today we're checking out the DJI Mini 3 Pro. I really wanted this drone for quite some time, but right now we are putting it on hand and we're gonna just do an unboxing. Enough of me talking, let's get started. So guys, here we have it. This is our DJI Mini 3 Pro, and it comes up with a battery here, an extra battery, but this is not Flymo combo. It's just a single drone with a transmitter with a battery too inside with some few stuff, but they gave me another extra battery, so it's such an iconic. On top of that, I ordered this bag because you know you must have a bag whenever you have a drone. So yeah, let's get started. So guys, there we go. This is our bad boy. As you can see right now, we're gonna just do a really nice and amazing kind of unboxing, and it's gonna be really cool throughout seeing what's packed inside, because this is such an iconic kind of drone and I really wanted it for quite some times. So as you can see, we are having another stick over here. I guess you just have to remove it this way. Whoa. Nice. Whoa, there we go. So that's our bad boy. I'm gonna keep it aside first. And what's in here, because I really, oh nice, a transmitter. Okay, this is our controller. I'm gonna keep it aside too. Liquor gel, don't eat this stuff. This what's inside here, because I really want to see what's packed in here. What's packed, okay, some goodies. So you're getting a USB Type-C to Type-C, which is quite interesting. And there we go, the USB Type-C to Type-C. Opening screwdriver throughout removing your propellers. Some extra propellers for interchangeable if anything happens to the drone. Some paperwork, really important to read if you want to just quick start guide. Let's get started with the transmitter here. What's inside the transmitter, because I'm really skeptical to see the transmitter. Wow, nice. That's really cool. As you can see how it is, and at the back this is how it looks like. Really nice transmitter, and it has this kind of control. It has a touch screen control over here. It has some triggers like to take a picture, to rotate the gimbal, and this one to, I think this one it was for exposure or stuff like that. I think you can map one of these, and this one is for the power button. As you can see, it's indicating how many Gs you have. So I think you have just to remove this kind of stuff and keep them here. Screw them here, nice and slow. And this one you have to do the same thing, nice and slow. When you're done, there we go, you can turn on your bad boy just like that, and it will be on. So let me keep it aside first. There we go, nice and easy. Whoa, it's really packed. So you make sure that you remove all the stickers through here. So first thing first, tilt this way, tilt this wing. I'm gonna call it wing, and tilt this wing too. Remove this stuff, it's easy. And there you go, you can release this cape for your gimbal protection, and you have just to remove these stickers. You know, these kind of stickers you just have to, because you can fly without keeping them. You just have to remove them. And even on the front of the gimbal, you just have to do it this way, and even this one too, you just have to remove it nice and slow. To remove this bad boy too, so you just have to remove all of this stuff. And this is your battery. It's just attached here already, which gives you much flight time. A memory card, but it does not come with the drone, so you just have to buy it separately. I got this 64 GB, which is great just to get started. It's a 4K and it tries speed up to 200 Mbps, which is great. And another stuff, you're having another extra intelligent flight battery, which gives you much time throughout your drone. It's really amazing to have these kind of batteries, and I believe this kind of battery might be having a slight juice if I'm not mistaken. As you can see, it's the same battery, and we're gonna just release it this way, but you can tell a little bit there's a quite difference between this battery. Oh, these two has no juice. They're all flat batteries. So I just have to charge the drone, and we're gonna do a flight test and install all the software and all of that, and I think it's gonna be really amazing. So we're gonna snap it back and return it back. You can see it has some sensors here and another sensors over here, somewhere here. So it has like obstacle avoidance and some sensors here too to detect what's in front, which is good. Let's talk about the specification of the DJI Mini 3 Pro. Well, it has a weight of 249 grams. It has a flight time up to 34 minutes with a standard battery. If you have an Intelligent Flight Battery Plus, it offers you up to 47 minutes. When it comes to the camera sensor, it has a 1.3-inch CMOS with the 48 megapixels. And aperture side, it has up to f1.7, which is great throughout the low lighting. The video resolution goes up to 4K 60 FPS with an HDR video supported. When it comes to the photo format, it has a JPEG plus RAW DNG, which is great, and it has an obstacle sensing tri-directional front, rear, and downward. On the max speed, it has a 16 ms on the sports mode. Transmission range goes up to 12 kilometers FCC with a 1080p live feed. The remote controller option, it comes with the DJI RC-M1 or DJI RC with a built-in screen. Wind resistance, it goes up to level 5 up to 10.7 ms. So guys, should you consider buying the DJI Mini 3 Pro in 2025? So throughout the review and unboxing throughout this kind of bad boy, it's really amazing. It has some great and amazing kind of features, and on top of that, throughout this kind of drone has a great and amazing kind of camera. Still, it gets you some amazing kind of decent pictures. On top of that, despite with the DJI Mini 3 and 4 Pro, the minor stuff I can say is all about the obstacle sensing and yeah, and some few minor overall throughout the design. But throughout the DJI Mini 3, still it's such an amazing thing. And when you look at it, I've painted it because I wanted just to paint it and give it a little bit of differentiation throughout my drones. So it's really amazing throughout the DJI Mini 3 Pro, and it's such an iconic because we reviewed the DJI Mini 2, we reviewed the DJI Mini 3, and right now we are reviewing the DJI Mini 3 Pro. Thank you guys for watching. If you love this video today, make sure that you hit the thumbs up, and if you're new here, consider subscribing to Homeboy here. I really appreciate on that. And last but not least, I'm going to be catching you guys on the next tech video. As always, stay sharp and creative. Kudos guys, and peace.